Free the Coupon Queen, and it's time for the 5 must-do Walgreens deals for next week. So these deals are going to run from February 9th until the 15th of next week. And of course, we do have an amazing beauty event going on. That deal is going to be going on from the 13th, 14th, and 15th. So make sure you guys stop by a Walgreens that has a beauty consultant desk. They should already have the papers for you guys, so you can just ask them to grab it a little early for the spend 25, get 7,000 points booster. So if you guys are not subscribed yet, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up. Let's go ahead and dive into these deals. The first deal is awesome for anyone, newbie couponers, anything like that. It is on the Nice brand storage bags. So they are on sale again, buy one, get 2 free. I use these storage bags and sandwich bags all the time in my house. I think they're a really good quality. So what you would do is pick up any 3. You can mix and match, however you guys want to do it. Final cost is going to be just 93 cents each. So no coupons needed, no nothing. You can go in the store and get these if you have the Walgreens account. Palmolive dish soap. Anyone can take advantage of this deal as well. Hopefully we'll get a digital so we can do this deal multiple times. It is on the 10-ounce Palmolive dish liquid. It is on sale for just 99 cents when you have the Walgreens account. There is a 50-cent coupon coming in the 2 9 inserts that we're going to get on Sunday. You're going to pay just 49 cents. Now, I did do the Dollar General 50% off clearance event, which was Friday, Saturday, and tomorrow. It does end on Sunday. Make sure you guys go to your local Dollar General. There were the 21-ounce Palmolives that I picked up for just 54 cents. So Dollar General definitely has a ton of amazing deals going on right now with their huge clearance event. I will have the video linked in the description box as well as after this video for you guys to check it out. The next deal is on Revlon or Allmay. They are on sale, buy one, get one half off, and buy 2, get a $5 register reward. So a scenario I put together is buying 2 of the Revlon eyeshadow palettes. They are $7.79 at my store, so the second one would be $3.89. You would use one of the $3 Revlon eye coupons from the 2.9 Retail Me Not. Again, that coupon is regional. Typically, the regional coupons we don't get in Florida, so you have to purchase those online. I usually purchase them from the couponmarketplace.com or clip2save.com. That is with a K and the number 2. Both of those are always linked in the description box for all my videos as far as where I get my inserts and individually clipped coupons from. So with both of those coupons, you would pay $5.68. Get back a $5 register reward. So final cost is 34 cents. And of course, this will track towards Walgreens Beauty. At Walgreens, every time you spend $50 in different beauty products, body wash is included at Walgreens. Lotions, facial care items, things like that, you're going to get back 5,000 points. Another really hot deal to keep stocking up on some medicine is on the Robitussin, Dimetapp, or the Advil. They're on sale, part of a promotion. A lot more items are included. For buy 2, get a $3 register reward. So one thing you could do is pick up one of the Robitussin, one of the Advil, use a $3 coupon from the 2.9 Smart Source for either one of those items, then use a $3 digital. So we know there's going to be a digital because right here in the photo it shows with card and $3 off coupon online or in most Sunday papers. So we will pay $5.98, get back a $3 register reward. Final cost is just $1.49 each. And typically when this deal comes around, we'll also get $3 cashback offers on Saving Star for Robitussin and for Advil. So when that happens, it makes it a really big moneymaker. So check back with me on my channel on Sunday mornings. I go over the printable coupons available and I go over some updates from Saving Star and what rebate apps we're going to be using for the week. Another deal is on the L'Oreal Elvive. So a great deal going on at Walgreens and CVS. So if you're new to couponing at CVS and you don't have a ton of CRTs, Walgreens may be the better deal to go for you guys. They're on sale 2 for $8. So typically they're $4.49 each, so right there saves you $1. you would use the 2 off of 2 IVC coupon. So that is either digital, it'll say 2 off 2 with card. That's how you know it's the IVC coupon. Or it's in the Walgreens Book of Savings. So that is the free Book of Savings. Most stores have them. They're right in the front of the store next to the weekly ads. You can pick one up. It's completely free. Look in the table of contents for where the L'Oreal Elvive coupon is and have the cashier scan that when you check out if you have not clipped the digital version. Use a 4 off of 2 L'Oreal coupon from the 2.9 Retail Me Not. That is also going to be a regional coupon. So when you guys are buying your newspapers, make sure you check the inserts, especially if you're buying the newspapers only for the hair care coupons and those Revlon and Allmay coupons. So if they're not there, I would recommend maybe not buying an insert and just getting them online. So after these coupons, you would pay just $2 for both, or $1 per bottle, which is an amazing price point. And shampoos and conditioners do track towards Walgreens Beauty. So a couple different tips and updates for the beauty event for you guys. The spend 25 get 7,000 point booster. It is a paper version, and then some accounts will get a digital version. Not all accounts get them. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Just depends. So for the paper booster, make sure you go to any Walgreens that has a beauty consultant desk. Some Walgreens will accept a screenshot. None of the Walgreens I've ever been to will accept a screenshot, but different Walgreens have, different management, and different regions may have different rules. So you may be able to do that, but I've always wanted to just have the paper booster. So you can Google it, which Walgreens have the beauty consultant, or of course you can call your local Walgreens. And make sure you check your Walgreens accounts for the digital booster. Usually they'll pop up like Wednesday or so. I'm going to check every single day just in case. Make sure you clip that as soon as it hits so it doesn't disappear. Typically, those do stack as well. So you would have them scan the paper coupon. The digital coupon is already going to be loaded if you guys do get that digital version. So then when you spend $25, you're going to get back 14,000 points. So as you can see, really, really good to get some possible money makers, some free items, especially if you guys are going to be hitting beauty after this event. And then my last tip for you guys is to rack up on register reward deals this week and next week before the beauty event to make sure that you have a low out-of-pocket cost for the beauty event deal. Because it is a spend deal and it is a digital booster, you cannot use points. You can use register rewards, coupons, paper coupons, digital coupons, but you cannot pay with points or you will not get the 7,000 points back for the booster. So if you guys have any questions or anything, make sure you drop a comment. I was going to post a beauty event scenario, but it wasn't really working out with the ones I was trying to add. So I didn't want to just post any random beauty event scenario. I always try to make sure that it's a really good one for you guys with the low out of pocket. So check back on my social media, either my Instagram or my Facebook page. I will post it before the beauty event, either Tuesday or Wednesday, to give you an idea of a great scenario to use for Thursday when the beauty event starts. And of course, I will be posting my beauty event haul on Thursday. That way you guys have an additional 2 days to put together a great deal for yourselves. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a great day.